Hey SV squad, so
I got to feel a possum's fur. It was like really soft.
oh,
That's really good.
my dad wants to have his own mukbanga here. They've got their own little dam.
There's about that. That's the amazing view.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Hey guys, so we've had time to rest. I can't get over this hair. We've had time to rest and we're heading over to the park now. Gonna go play some volleyball with the fams. And I'm just annoyed right now, guys, because this aircon does not blow cold air. Coming into summer, yeah, we need this looked at ASAP. I've texted the landlord. Hey SV squad, so I'm just chilling with a few of you guys. Shout out Zaya. And I'm just gonna head out now because, you know. Oh my gosh, Chris is on my live. I better go now, guys, because my sister's waiting for me to take the ball. Hey guys and gals, so it's been a while. Guys, did you see that I cut my hair? Oh, actually, yeah, you would have. We're on our way to mum and dad's, or is it? Guys, we're here now at my brother's house, just clearing up some stuff. We've been going for about an hour. Well, I haven't, but my Aussie has, and my dad and that. So that's the skip bin over there. Got trailer here. Stinks. What is it, Mum? Is there a possum living there? Don't hurt it. Where is it, Chris?
It's that white cage.
Where is it?
Just behind that. Nani,
I'm probably so scared.
Don't
Don't hurt it. Oh my gosh, look at it.
SV squad.
That's his butt there.
Yeah, that mum.
We could call wildlife to come and get it.
There's a possum.
It's here.
It's behind the blue top. It's behind the blue top, Mom.
Can you see its ear? Oh, it's scared. I can see its face. What? And they don't know how it's for. Mas não, olha assim, box ali. Yeah, I'll move this off. Aussie, make sure you get it.
Yeah, fine.
Stop shouting and staring at it. There's two in one. It's scared.
Possum chased me.
I know.
They hit me too. I got to feel a possum's fur. I got to feel it. It was like really soft. And I threw the hammer to make it scared and go back in the garage.
It needs to go to that. Zaya, move.
Oh, it's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's right there, guys. It's getting there. Mom.
Nipple,
Mom.
don't touch it.
Possum hit me. The possum hit me because it's there.
It doesn't know where to go. This is its home.
Bye-bye. Bye, Poss. Bye, Cosmonauts. Went to the next one, Amy.
And there we have it, guys. The Chronicles have two possums in the garage.
Here's your thumbnail.
No, I don't think I got a good image of them.
2 possums.
I feel so sorry for them. They've probably been living here for many years. What do you say?
I said that could be a thumbnail. 2 possums in brother's garage.
They've probably been living in the garage for so long, and I feel so sad that they won't have a home. They won't have a home. No, they have to look at the camera. Tell us exactly what happened.
Chasing after me from that garage, and then I ran past the fridge, and then its tail came and whacked me, and then I threw my hammer back, but I missed because I wasn't even looking at it.
Why did you throw your hammer? Did you want to hurt it?
No, I didn't want it to scratch me and bite me.
Oh, I felt so sorry for it. They were like terrified.
It was like,
And it looked like mother and son or mother
and
and
look,
daughter.
and it has, auntie, and it has lots of room there now.
What, do you think there's more than 2?
No, we set up a possum guy. He caught like 2 before.
Did he?
Yeah.
And what did they do with them?
They just released them somewhere. Maybe they killed one of them.
So Annie was watching the whole thing when I ran.
Bro, you ran faster than Usain Bolt.
What?
Over there.
He was like, ah! he thought you were its dad. ¿Qué vale? Acho solar o cango. E cango fa pea ai o so mai no ya oi.
Cango puro fa pea ai mai va pea me le uruan.
Your mum moved the box and it was right there.
Oh, I heard her.
Trailer? I thought it was like a spider or a rat. What about this one?
Look, there's like 3 little things over there. This is so beautiful. Guys, so this is a skip bin. My brother's gonna rent this house out because he's moving. Oh my gosh, ew. That's their old kitchen. They renovated their current kitchen. So my dad was gonna take it to Samoa, but it's just not happening. No, he doesn't even, he's not even crying with tears.
Yeah. He'll get over it.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I have not picked up the camera in such a long time. It's been like 3 weeks. Today, as you can tell, I'm not feeling well at all. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm on my way to my brother's farm. My brother and his family just bought another house, but it's at a farm, so we're gonna head there and see it for the first time. They just picked up the keys today.
You have arrived.
It's pretty steep. Hey. Oh, beautiful.
Nephew.
Wow. Oh, I see the house. Oh yeah, they're already here. So they were the slowest ones. So you have to go all the way around. Oh, yeah, what ka?
Give me big friend.
Is it zoom out though? Zoom. Oh, there. Wow.
That's really good.
Is that their land or not? Look, they got a kid's cubby house. Fit that look?
Leo Maya.
Yeah, but look, I can't see their car from here. Guys, we're finally here. I'm feeling somewhat better now. Ew, don't mind these big shoulders. Oh, they all woke up. Oh, the kitties are here. We're here at Uncle Champ's new house. I have to see if I can take you guys in, because I'm not sure if my brother will want me to film. So, hold on, guys.
What's up, SB Squad? We're at my new house, and I just caught my butterfly, my second one.
Show me, show me, show me.
I just went for a little walk with Aussie.
You're hurting it.
What happens if you let it go?
It'll fly.
Go.
Ready?
There's Aussie boy. Oh my gosh, I love this plant. This is all of Ingrid's plants.
Hey, Vicky, come down here. There's heaps of raspberries down here. Some carrots and stuff. Look, carrots, ginger, onions, beans.
Oh. Yeah.
This is how much rain's happening.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, Ingrid told me that today.
These are carrots, the lettuce, the onions, the beans, those are the corn.
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
You've got some nectarine trees.
Yeah.
Peach trees.
Here, come. I'll show you some raspberries.
Oh, I'm not wearing boots.
Vicky, taste those.
Are they actually ripe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Wait,
They're sweet. Very sweet.
do you wash them or what? Mmm, not bad. What's this one?
Look.
Oh, that's a bean.
Yeah, beans.
What's this?
Onion.
What? Is this what an onion looks like? Dude.
Carrots, lettuce, corn. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, we were so slow for those guys.
Did they go home?
No, we caught up to them and then they were just like holding up the whole line. Dad and Lippo.
Yeah, these are the plants.
Oh, so nice.
And on our right, there was a big, massive huntsman thing over there.
I don't think it's a huntsman. No.
We've got the entrance on our right.
I'm not sure if you guys can hear me because of the wind, but
Ingrid told me this used to be an old water supply thing.
wow,
They used to pump and drink water from here.
that is so awesome.
That's where it's gonna be for a barbecue. One hand for the fireworks.
Barbecue, eh?
Yeah. Mum, watch your head for the fireworks.
Mum, but just spawn the spider web there.
Just be careful. Duck, just duck. Run, just duck, it's fine. There's no spiders there.
Oh my gosh, inside is so nice.
Guys,
Oh, you can't hear because of the wind.
there's about that's the amazing view. And that's the pool.
It looks small, right? But it's actual massive.
Wow.
Inside, it's so deep.
It's not deep over there.
Huh?
You can't really see it because of the trees, but I'll dent all the way down there.
I saw it when we were walking in. I was like, is that theirs?
But it's right over there too. It's that cold that it's starting to smoke up.
But there's actually no chickens in there now.
Yeah, I know. Oh, yo, wait. Sorry, I almost fell.
But we're going to be putting chickens.
This is the chicken coop.
No, the raspberries, yeah. Chicken coop, Dad and that are doing something over there. Let me go and get a little bit. I think because it's probably gonna fall. I did not have the right shoes, guys. I had sandals on and I'm like about to slip. Get it, baby. On their farm, they have a lot of veggies, a lot of fruit trees. Loving it. My dad wants to have his own mukbanga here, but the land's quite big. They've got their own little dam. They've got their own little dam down there. Land's huge.
Sweet, eh? They don't sell like the supermarkets.
What are you eating there?
Raspberry.
And show us. I really like this this rustic mirror style. This is the bathroom. Oh, this is nice. Another bedroom. Wow, this is beautiful. That's the front door. Wow. This is the kitchen. Oh my gosh, this is just such a view. So beautiful.
When it's oil, today it was so nice.
Was it?
Yeah, because of how sunny it was. And then, I don't know whose room this is going to be, but I think it's a spare room.
Where's your room?
Oh, my room right there.
Oh. This is 3, room number 3.
No, it's number 4.
Oh, 4. Number 5. This is number 5. Oh, this is their ensuite. Nice.
This is going to be my room.
How many bathrooms?
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, they got a walk-in closet. Hi, Mima. Look at Molly.
5.
She's talking to herself. Oh, she's talking to Sia over there.
The giants of the land. Oh, this is our own fireplace too.
So where's the sitting room?
Yep. Oh no, it's up there.
This is the sitting room. Oh. This is the rumpus, I guess.
I don't know which one is.
Like another small lounge.
Hello. Wanna come look at
Hey! What are you doing? What's that?
I want a main bathroom. What's this?
Your poco, yeah. Oh, there's a studio up there somewhere. Where is it now?
So, a little bit of history, guys. So, before they made that house down there, they lived in this one. It's pretty scary in here because there's like heaps of spiders, but yeah. That's where he's gonna stay. Oh, he's got a pretty good thing there. Bathroom in there, I don't know what's in there though. Get out of here. Guys, we're gonna play truth or shoot. So if I get it in, I have to tell you the truth. If I don't, you already know. I'm not telling you the truth, boy. Okay. So the truth is, do I have a girlfriend? All my aunties are asking me this. Ready? Oh, unlike yours.
Can't even hear you because it's too noisy.
Give me a question.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Name? Oh, man.
Is it working? Go see if it's working down there now. Go ask to switch on the light. Yeah, it's working.
Put it down.
Have a look next to when it
That overlooks the lake. They got a nice view.
Yeah, that's their dam.
I saw it.
You're not missing much, honey.
What's inside there?
You're not missing much. Oh, Lissy. Hello?
Tell her to drive out here.
Yeah?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, we're still here.
Dead huntsman in there.
We're all still here. Alright, bye.
Is it like scary, Dad? Oh my god, I'm scared, Dad. I'm scared.
Come on,
Tell them what you did, Zaya. Guys, this is the car that my dad and Filippo drove in. Well, this is actually Filippo's car. And I have to move it. It's a manual, which I can drive a manual, but it's more like, oh my gosh, there's a trailer at the back. I don't know how I'm gonna. Oh. Is that enough or?
Even Manu. Yeah.
Hola.
Yeah.
Ah. Me can't get on cook.
No, leave it, just leave
Yeah,
it.
tie her from my back.
Your big back. Hi, baby. Hi, cutie patootie. Yeah, baby. Finally home now. I'm going home now. I'm waiting for Aussie because Molly picked me up. So, yeah. Shout out to my brother and his family once again. Oh, don't come near me, darling. I don't want to make you sick. Stay there, darling. Stay there, darling. You understand me, darling?